The GMC Sierra 1500 is more than just a pickup truck. It is a bold statement of power, performance, and presence. From the first glance, it commands attention with its massive front grille, signature red GMC badge, and sharp C-shaped LED headlights that create an aggressive, modern look. The black exterior finish enhances its premium appeal, giving it a muscular yet refined appearance. With its lifted stance and black alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, the Sierra 1500 looks ready to conquer both city streets and rugged off-road trails. Every angle reflects strength, confidence, and durability. Under the hood, the Sierra 1500 offers impressive engine options built for serious performance. Drivers can choose between strong V6 and V8 engines, including the popular 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8s. These engines deliver powerful horsepower and torque, ensuring quick acceleration and outstanding towing capability. Whether hauling heavy equipment, towing a boat, or cruising on the highway, the Sierra performs smoothly and confidently. Despite its size, the ride quality remains stable and refined, providing comfort even at higher speeds. Inside, the Sierra transforms into a premium experience. The cabin features high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a modern dashboard design. A large infotainment touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping drivers connected on the go. The seats are spacious and supportive, offering generous legroom for both front and rear passengers. Excellent noise insulation keeps the cabin quiet, making long drives comfortable and enjoyable. Technology and safety are key strengths of the GMC Sierra 1500. Advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, and parking sensors enhance driver confidence. Modern trucks are no longer just about strength, they are about intelligent performance, and the Sierra balances both perfectly. With available four-wheel drive, strong suspension, and a durable truck bed, the Sierra 1500 is built for work and adventure. The black modified version, with tinted windows and blacked-out wheels, adds even more dominance and style. Overall, the GMC Sierra 1500 delivers power, luxury, technology, and practicality, making it one of the most complete full-size pickup trucks on the road today.
谁的心被原因普遍掌心，除了我这个声，心烦恼聚美好友，想保有无力的笑容或真切，所以既要白衣，浮跳跃在天空里，在快乐的声音。